Hi loves, welcome back to Dom Beauty. I'm so excited to be back, and what a better way than to come back with an amazing collaboration. Today is the first part series of my collaboration with Ranoosh Beauty. So without further ado, let's go ahead and talk about all the good stuff. If you don't know who Ranoosh Beauty is, let me just tell you that you are missing out. Ranoosh Beauty is an amazing privately owned beauty brand. It is cruelty free. It is previously under the name Ooh La La Beauty. And they do have an Etsy shop, and they are getting their website up and going as we speak. So make sure you go show Ranoosh Beauty some love. Let them know I've sent you. All their links will be down below. Now, the first product that is part of this collaboration is their Envy eyeshadow palette. It's an 18-pan palette with mixtures of shimmers, mattes, and pressed glitter pigments. So we're going to go ahead and jump into the tutorial, and I'm going to show you how this beauty works. Now, as always, I'm going to prime my lid using my Makeup Revolution Cut Crease Canvas Eyeshadow Primer in Halo. This is an amazing primer, super affordable, and I just love the white base it gives me. Makes my shadows super pigmented, and I get so much payoff. I just love it. Now, I don't always set my eyeshadow primer, but I do sometimes. So where I'm not working with really colorful shadows today, I'm going to set it. I'm going to use this top shade in the palette in the top left-hand corner, and I'm just going to set my base. But first, I'm going to put some loose powder under my eyes to catch any fallout. This is something that I've always done, I always do, and we're just gonna blow that extra powder out of the way. This is real life, and I could edit it out, but it just goes for some good filming. Alright, so I'm taking that cream color, and I'm just gonna lightly dust just a tiny bit over my lids and my upper brow bones. Not too much, just a little bit. And I only dip the brush once, that's all you need. These shadows are super pigmented and they pick up so easily. And as you can see, it just great payoff as well. Next, for transition, I'm going to go into this beautiful dusty rose pink color, and we're just going to start working that into the crease. It's beautiful pink, isn't it? So gorgeous, rich and pigmented. Now I'm just laying this shade down. I am not doing no blending. All right, the next I'm going to take these two shades on the far right, the maroon and the black together, and just a touch of black. I mean, just the tiniest bit. And you mix those two shades together and you get like a rich magenta. And I am going to put that all over the lid and start working it barely into the pink. Now I'm noticing that there is slight fallout with this palette. Once again, it's always a smart idea as an extra precaution, especially if you choose to do your face makeup before your eyes, lay down that powder. And I'm going to use that pink dusty rose glitter, which is the fifth glitter over in the palette from the left, and I'm just going to put that all over the lid. This glitter is so gorgeous, and it stays without glitter glue. I am in love. Thank you, Ranoosh Beauty. Look how gorgeous this is. It's so amazing. Now I'm going to go back to that dusty rose pink, the matte, the second shade we used, and I am just going to pack that on to the lower lash line. Now I want to almost smoke my lower lash line out with this gorgeous dusty rose matte shade. I really want to emphasize that gorgeous shade, if that makes sense. That is the look that I am going for, a heartbreaker look. And as you can see, here is better look at the fallout and just watch how easy all of that fallout just swept right away. The powder was definitely really helpful, but also these shadows do not stick and stain. So that is a major plus. So even with the fallout, honestly, it doesn't bother me. Fallout doesn't bother me at all, but just wanted to add that in. Now we're going to go on to Ranoosh Beauty lashes. These are in the style Alaya. They are super gorgeous 3D faux mink lashes. They are super full, layered, wispy. They are everything. And I'm also using the Ranoosh Beauty Easy Use Lash Applicator. It's in the rose gold tone. It's so gorgeous. And it makes putting on lashes so easy. Honestly, I usually use my Anastasia Beverly Hills, the pink tweezers, but I'm telling you, I am sold on this lash applicator. You can see, super amazing. So now I'm just going to add a little mascara. I'm going to add the first shadow in the second row down to my inner corner. And that completes part 1 of this series. This is how I am going to choose to end this one. And there's plenty of goodness to come. Make sure you hit subscribe, turn on your post notifications. That way you will not miss the remainder of the series. I've got so much more. We go in detail about every shadow, swatches, all of their product line, their upcoming product line, and of course, this finished gorgeous look. Thanks so much, and a special thanks to Ranoosh Beauty for allowing me to have this collaboration. Thanks for watching, beauties, and until next time, love yourself. Bye-bye.